Hey guys, it's Jen, this is beautyriotx, and today we are doing my very first unboxing of the FAB Fun box. I bought this with my own money, but I did use a code. I think I used like Jam Beauty's code to get $10 off my first box. And then after that, it is $50 box, which is one of the more expensive subscription boxes, but you only get for a year, one with each changing season. So this is the summer box of 2018, so let's just get right into it. Now this is a beauty box all around. It's like for fashion and home and beauty, skincare, that kind of thing. So it's not just makeup, which I think is fun to get once in a while. I am gonna say, I mean, does it really need to be that big? I mean, it's gigantic. Alright, so the first thing that I see is from Pier 1. What the hell is this? Oh, I think this is a coaster, right? It's a ring dish. It's $14.99 and it's from Pier 1. That's pretty. I won't use it for rings, but I'll use it for something. All right, the next thing I see is from Kula, and it is the Classic Face Sunscreen. Organic skincare SPF 50, and this retails for $32. That's pretty cool, I'll definitely use that. All right, the next is, this is a Minor History Postscript wallet. We love this wallet for summer adventures because it fits perfectly all the essentials, including your credit card, ID, and has a cute wrist strap. This retails for $20. I don't think I'll actually use this. Maybe I'll put it in a giveaway or something. All right, the next, okay, this is by Elemis. This is a very expensive skincare line. This is the Papaya Enzyme Peel. It is 1.6 fluid ounces, and this retails for $45. I love any kind of exfoliating thing. Yes! I've debated getting this for like 2 years, and I just haven't bit the bullet. I've seen Tartist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm so excited. Very, very pretty. I've heard rave reviews about this. And okay, that's awesome. And this retails for $45. All right, the next thing I see is, oh, yes! So cool. Okay, this is the Foreo Luna Fofo Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. I've heard so many good things about this kind of cleansing brush. So this retails for $89. You're the first one to get your hands on the Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. So I will definitely use this. Apparently, I mean, I guess if there's an app for it, I'll update you guys on what this thing's all about, but it looks very cool. The next thing in here, it's like a makeup bag. This is by Yumi Kim, and it's 2 pockets. It's got a pocket on top and then a pocket down here. That's very cool. This retails for $58, and it is a makeup train case. All right, and the last thing in here is by Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. It's a scrub, very nice. These luxurious body treatments made with natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. This retails for $48. Wow, okay. So, like usual, I'll add up everything at the bottom of the screen, but this is a great box. Now, it is more expensive, like I said, but you only get it 4 times a year. But I mean, you get a ton of crap in here. And I'm pretty sure a few of the things in here are customizable. If you go on the website, you can actually pick a few of the things that you want. I think this is really fun. I mean, I'm definitely excited for the next one. And I got a straw. If you like, you know, to get boxes with a bunch of different kind of beauty things, like I figure for 50 bucks, it's pretty good. So I guess the only question you have to ask yourself is, do I like beauty boxes to surprise me with all different arrays of things? If you like just makeup, then you probably wouldn't like this box, but if you'd like, you know, to be surprised a few times a year, this would be a fun box to get. All right, so that was it. I will leave the information for this box in the description box below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. They don't know who I am. I'll leave Jam Beauty's code if you want to try it for yourself. I think it's a $10 off the first month, and then after that, I think it's $49.95 a month or whatever. But that's a pretty freaking good deal, though, I have to say. All right, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.